Beginner versus pro chess player. A chess game begins. On one side, there's a beginner, brimming with excitement. They rush to play, capturing a pawn without looking for threats. But chess is unforgiving, one careless move, and their opponent strikes with a swift checkmate. Now, consider the professional player. Calm and deliberate, they think through each move. Sacrificing a knight, the pro gains control over the board. With patience and purpose, they execute a brilliant fork to secure victory. The difference? Strategy. Beginners often chase quick wins, while pros plan ahead and shape the battlefield. Chess teaches us focus, perseverance, and foresight. Whether you're a novice or seasoned player, every match holds a lesson. Keep learning, stay inspired, and strive to play like a pro. What's your next move? Subscribe for more chess insights.